The tenets of democracy are skills for living in our society that include tolerance, critical thinking and decision-making, thinking together and making meaning, power sharing and empowerment, and individual responsibility and civil involvement with others. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. Students in an elementary classroom are engaged in a graphing activity. The students have each been given a bag of M&Ms, and they have sorted and counted the M&Ms by color. The students use their critical thinking skills to predict how many M&Ms of each color would be contained in 2 bags of M&Ms, based on the contents of their individual bags. Then the students combine their data with the partners to test their predictions. The teacher also creates opportunities for individual responsibility. In order for a pair of students to have meaningful results, each student has to contribute, demonstrating reliability as well as positive participation.
Done. Okay, now we need to actually Okay, let's do red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 reds for me. How many? 11. Okay, so that's 19. Hey, I got 20. I guess 20. I guess 22. Okay. Now blue. I have 5. Me too. 10. I guess 10. I got 10 as a guess. So did I. Oh, okay. Brown. 1, 2, 3. How many browns do I have? I have 4. I have 14. So that's 18. Now I had 8 greens. 15.
After the students have combined their data with the partners, the students have to make general statements about the contents of a bag of M&Ms. The students demonstrate thinking together and making meaning as they work to build a consensus through dialoguing. Once they have come to an agreement, the students can write their statements.
Okay, so let's see. We'll just use yours because hers is exactly the same, right? So look at the number of red that were there. There were 23. Now, do you think, and look at the number of blue that were there. Very few. Number of green, not as many. Number of orange. Do you think that in most packs they will have more red and brown like yours, or would they have more blue and orange, or what? What do you think?
Red and brown.
Okay, then maybe that might be your sentence, that most of the time you'll find more.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Do you agree with that, Stephanie?
Yes.
Yes? Are you sure?
Yes.
You don't want to write anything different?
I'm sure I want to agree with my pal.
Okay.
The teacher promotes critical thinking and decision-making by having the students decide on the best way to represent their data. The students have to use their knowledge of different kinds of graphs and compare the benefits and drawbacks of each. The students are then asked to choose the most appropriate kind of graph to represent their data.
Now, what I'd like you to do is look at that graph. Scroll down, look at the graph. Okay, now look at that information. See if there's any way, or if you'd like to try another graph to see if there's another graph that shows that information better. Do you know how to do that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you might even want to make that one smaller so you can put the other graph right beside it and do the comparison.
We made a pie graph to see if it looks better.
And does it show the information better? Okay. Did this show the pink on this one?
No, because we didn't have them. I can do that.
Okay. Click on this one. Okay. But you notice that on this one it puts the PI there for pink, and then there's nothing there. So you could also look at that and see that information. Okay. This one doesn't show it at all. So you have to think about that.
The The students work with their partners at a computer to input data into a spreadsheet. The teacher encourages power sharing by having the students take turns entering the data. While they work on their spreadsheets and graphs, the students are being reliable and communicating. The teacher promotes empowerment by giving the students the means to effectively participate and share authority in classroom activities.
We're just ready to do this.
I would enjoy
The students also learn about civil involvement with others as they work on their spreadsheets. They work cooperatively, demonstrating a sense of community by promoting the best interests of the group.
We apparently just did.
You need a space there, don't you? And you also do not have to capitalize the A or D. Space. Now that you didn't know where the civil was,
Oh, nope,